Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up Git on macOS and run your first commands. The nice part is on most Macs released after 2019, Git usually comes pre-installed. Let's go. In this table, I put the commands we are gonna use in this video. First, let's check if Git is installed. Open your terminal and type git -- version. If you see this number is installed on your Mac before. And if it is not installed, you can use this command bro install git. The second step, configure your name. Now let's tell Git who we are. Every commit you make will include this information. By this command, we set our name. And by this command, we set email. That email you use in Git. And if you want to clone a project from GitHub using the repository URL, this command helps you. This command downloads the project to our local. If you use this command for first time, you have to sign in to GitHub by your email and password. For signing, you enter the number that's emailed to you. After it, you have to click on Allow to open VS Code for clone the project. It's a start clone project on your system. After clone every project, you must run this command npm I for install package on your project. This front end is Angular project, and for run this project, type ng serve. So we checked if Git was installed, set up our username and email, and cloned our first project from GitHub. In the next video, I'll show you how to create and switch branches in Git, which is super useful for managing different features in your project. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.